Hello my YouTuber, welcome back to another video. Today's video I am going to change out the rear brake pads out of the 2006 Hyundai Tiburon. I said rear brake pads, not a drum, not a shoes. 10-minute job by using this tool sit next to me, or 1 hour job by using a long flathead screwdriver. So that means out of the way. All right, get you a 14mm socket right there. Put hard. And then pull on it, wiggle it kind of like this, and then pull it out like this. Of course, get a hook and then tie it up somewhere before you damage. And here is the 22 pieces Brake Caliper Tool. As you can see the whole name right there, that way you can get your own. There's a lot of tool in there. It's 22 pieces, so you got plenty of this tool over here. I know this set over here works on a Toyota RAV4, but I just can't remember which one is it. But on the 2006 Hyundai Tiburon, it is the number E right here. This the one works on that right there. When you're working on the disc rear brake, you can use any of this over here. You can use the left hand or the right hand one, it don't matter. All right, before you continue, clean up this hole over here, this and everything like that, because it's full of rust right now. Let's clean that out. Just like that. Doesn't have to be perfect. Now you can get this tool right there, and as you can see on the outside over here, and then this two hole goes in there right that, and shoe clicks on there because it's magnetic as well. It's very good. And this nipple or log goes in those little hole over here, just like this, right? This, and then like do it in the way would you tighten something down to the right. It's very tight. In this case it is very hard, so that means I'm going to use this flathead screwdriver. Back here there's a hole right here. You can do it this way, that way you can hold it tight, and then do the best way not to damage this over here. Man, that's hard. In this case I had to use a 7-8 inches of wrench, because this thing over here is not strong enough or not heavy enough leverage to do it. So I'm going to do this one to have more leverage like that. That means I'm going to have to use the right hand side, and then of course with the flathead screwdriver too, for me to have more leverage on it. I wasn't expecting this hard today, but it turns out it's very hard. right now it's very loose. You just need that to put it up to make it easier. Now, as you can see, very easy. Oops, just like that. All right, perfect. That's all it is. And now the new one is ready to slide back in there. Don't forget to get the old one out as well. There you go. Inner, outer, inner, outer. There you go. Man, this is all metal. Before we put the new one in, I'm gonna clean up with a 400 grit sandpaper in a pad, and flat the screwdriver, and then a brush. Alright, the new one is ready to go back in. This is the left side, as you can see it, and the right side, the wear sensor should be on this side. Put the inner one back in first. It's going in like this. Just like that. It's very easy to go in. Now it is the outer, which is the plain one. Let's see if this is easy too. Easy peasy, just like that. And now get your caliper. Should go in here easy as well. But this little bolt over here is kind of hard to put them in because of the parking cable. It will pull the caliper away, and then it's hard to adjust. As you can see right now, I'm having a hard time already. All right, that one's it's in, and then let's do the other one. Well, that one was easy. Can't believe this. Now let's tie it down with the ratchet. That's perfect. If your bolts keep tuning around, you can use a 11/16 ratchet. Have to be a thin one, that way it fits between this piece over here. It will help you a lot. Let's go with the next one right here. Right now it's spinning, but it's tight right now. Oops. I guess it just needed both hands instead of one. Perfect. Now the wheel is ready to go back in. Alright guys, we did it again. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like it, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Once again, thank you for your support. Until next video, bye.